2,500 square feet. About 1,200 of that in the front room. 1,300 square feet in the side rooms, bedrooms, utility rooms. Scrubbing with a little bit of Dawn. Dawn dishwashing soap, that is. Then scrubbing it. We covered the floor during construction with paper. And now I'm squirting it, vacuuming into the go. And then I'll do a final rinse. After I rinsed it a couple times, I'll do a final rinse and vacuum it up. After other rinsing, it wasn't enough to get all the residue off. So now we're coming in and doing a mop rinse. Then we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I used 2 acid stains, but basically 3 colors. The coffee brown straight, and then I mixed it 50-50 to give me a lighter brown. Then the black for corners and little spots. Then I cleared it with the satin finish solvent-based sealer.